Today we are going to interface Python on a TV. Welcome to Python Every Day. To do so, we will require a TV with audio-video ports, a microcontroller, 2 resistors, one of 1 kilo ohms and another of 470 ohms. We will also require some wires for interconnections and a breadboard to connect and hold everything in place. We will connect both the resistor in a voltage divider configuration. Their junction will be the output. Now we will connect a wire from digital pin 7 of Arduino to 470 ohm resistor and another wire from digital pin 9 of Arduino to 1 kilo ohm resistor. The center of the AV port is signal and the outer is ground. Connect a wire from the junction of the resistor to the center of AV port. Connect the Arduino ground to the TV ground. And we are done with the connections. Now just upload the code to Arduino board and enjoy. This is the example code. We haven't written anything yet. Let's see what we have in the example. We can display any image. We prefer a black and white image. We just need to convert it to hexadecimal bitmap format. Make an array of that bitmap in the code. And upload the code. That image will be displayed. We cannot code in Python 3 programming language on TV. Instead, we will just display images and text on it. This is the image of Python logo, which we are going to display on TV. This is the hexadecimal bitmap array of the values of the image. After uploading the code, this image is displayed on TV. We also can display text on TV. We just need to call a function tv.write and pass a string of whatever text we have to display. That's all for now. Thanks for watching Python Every Day.